My name is Monica Wisniewski. We have been doing everything we can since we moved out here to make ourselves as self-sufficient as possible. We're at the hydro minimum bill of $30 a month. It's fabulous. Hi, I'm Monica Wisniewski. I live out here in Kawartha Lakes. We've been really happy with it. We kind of get a kick out of checking the app on a regular basis to see how things are going. I think in general, it's kind of met our expectations, and I think that everything has lived up to what we were promised. But I will say the maintenance plan has definitely paid itself off with the weird little electrical issue we had this year, and they fixed it right up right away, and we were back in business. So research your hydro company's policies, because you want to get the most out of your solar panels. So yeah, I used to keep a lot of things to the end of the day, laundry, the dishwasher, all that kind of big energy use stuff. And it really doesn't matter anymore. Heaters at the barn, keeping water running for the animals, that kind of thing. We've also been producing a lot for our garlic business here. So we've been running mixers and blenders, and I bought a freeze dryer this year. So that's going to add to our electrical usage as well. We've had no problem at all storm-wise. I mean, we had the big ice storm roll through. We had damage to almost everything, not the solar, which was nice. I find even, days like this are beautiful and we love it. But we're also seeing that, even on cloudy and rainy days, there's a surprising amount of power that still gets through. So it's really nice to see. I think the fact that it's working out so well for us is, it's been really important to us. Since we bought the farm, we've put in both solar and geothermal for our heating. So there's now no propane, no oil. It's all clean energy powering the farm. So there's a timeline for paying off our investment, and I think we're on track for it. I'm pretty happy with that. Batteries is probably the next, but it is likely 4 or 5 years out. We're keeping an eye on battery technology and watching for something that's going to meet our requirement of being long-lasting and relatively clean. At that point, we would probably add more panels and consider going off-grid. Go as fast as you can. There's no financial benefit to waiting. There's no ecological benefit to waiting. It makes sense to do it as soon as you can, because it starts paying itself off more quickly, and hydro is only going to go up.